We are going to take a look at a Southworth 30 by 48 inch 2,000 pound lift table. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Southworth model LS2-24 features a 30 inch by 48 inch top and has a 2,000 pound capacity. It's powered by a 208 230 460 volt 3-phase 1 horsepower Balder motor. It has a lowered height of 7 inches and a raised height of 31 inches. The accordion safety skirting is in good condition, and overall, the lift is in good condition as well.